Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jay. Welcome to our channel, GenXJ. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of two smart vacuum cleaners from SwitchBot. Before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to SwitchBot for sending us these two smart vacuum cleaners. Black Friday season is here and spans for almost 1 week. In Amazon, check out Amazon's website. There are great deals for smart home products and especially for SwitchBot. So big discounts, big deals are given by SwitchBot. So SwitchBot provides a large amount of smart home products. So SwitchBot has smart curtains, smart air humidifier. They have two versions of it: smart camera, smart sensors, from motion sensor, door sensor, smart finger robots. They have a lot. So just check out SwitchBot's website. So click the description box, so link down below. In this video, we are going to do the first part, so will be a two-part series of this review. In this video, we are going to do a review and unboxing of the SwitchBot S1 Smart Vacuum Cleaner. So without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review of the SwitchBot Smart Vacuum Cleaner, the S1 Plus. We are now going to unbox the S1 Plus. So upon opening the box, there is an opaque plastic mat. So you use this one when you don't want to remove the vacuum attachment. Also in the box, there are two rotating brush. So props to SwitchBot for sending us a spare one. And then this is the mopping attachment. So you can remove the microfiber. I think this is a microfiber. So this can be removed. Also, there's a little roller to help vacuum cleaner when it's running. And they also gave us a tool to remove hairs or strings that are stuck on the rollers. There is the manual. Please read this user manual carefully before using the device, so that you will be familiar with all the parts of the device. Also, they have given us the info card. And first, let's remove everything inside the box. So let's put aside the vacuum cleaner. So at the bottom of the box, let's remove the base station. Okay, let's lift this up. And everything inside the box: the manual, the opaque plastic attachment for the mopping, tool, two brushes, the mop attachment, the base station, and the S1 vacuum cleaner. So let's take a look. The S1 vacuum cleaner is quite heavy. So this is the right side of it, which the power button is located, and this is the back side, and this is the left side. It's quite heavy. And this is the bottom part. So each of the wheels are independent of each other. And then this is the part which you will attach the brush. And there are the sensors for looking down sensors. And this is the roller cover, and this is the roller. So the roller is made out of rubber and the brushes is made out of plastic. Build quality is good. So let's put back the roller and the roller cover. Then let's remove the tank. So by the way, this tank is two parts. It acts as a water tank and a dust collector tank. So in the back part, so this is the opening in which you will refill it with water. So this is the water tank. And these are the attachment for the charging, and there's a little motor in it. And this is the HEPA filter. So this is above the dust compartment. So this is also removable. Let's cover this one, and then let's reattach it to the main vacuum cleaner. Oh, I forgot, let's attach the brush. So this is the brush. It only uses one brush at a time. So I really like this tiny brush. It clears debris away from the rotating brush. And this is the base station. So let's take a deeper look. So inside the base station, there is already a dust bag attached, and also there are instructions on the top on how to attach and remove the dust bag. So this dust bag can hold up to 4 liters. So this is the opening of the dust bag, and you attach it here. And also there is the spare dust bag. It's given, so clear instructions on what type of dust bag model is. This is the inside of the dust. That's it, the inside of it, and it's very easy to attach the dust bag. So it's quite big, 4 liters is quite big. And this is the right side, there's the exhaust vent, and then on the back side, I really like this one because you can store neatly the wiring. Good job, SwitchBot. And this is the left side, also a exhaust port. And this is the front part in which the main vacuum attaches. So this is the S1. So this is the S1 Plus Smart Vacuum Cleaner. We're now going to try to use the mopping attachment. So I have attached the microfiber mat, and then we're gonna fill it up with water. So this water tank holds quite a lot of water. We have ran it, so as you can see, the floor is wet. So it has spread the water evenly. So good job, SwitchBot. So you can see on the mat. So this is a rubber mat. So I intentionally want the vacuum to mop it. So good job. That is it for the unboxing and review. Proceed now on the pros and the cons. Number one pro for me is the great suction power and cleaning efficiency of this robo vacuum. Suction power for me is good. It's very good for my hardwood and carpet. So it cleans my carpet perfectly, and I am very satisfied with it. And the suction power, especially the different modes, you can set in the application. So I'm very satisfied, really satisfied. Also, its cleaning performance on the corners, on the wall. Yeah, it really cleans it perfectly. The dust, the tiny particles, the hair, it collects it. It's very good. So I have no qualms about it. Number two of my pro of this vacuum cleaner, it has smart features that I really like, and the app control. So smart features, first the sensors. It has a lot of sensors built in. On the sensors for edge detection, it is packed with sensors. In summary, it is packed with sensors. So it's very self-aware of where it is, what environment it is, on what room it. Comparing it with my old smart vacuums, it's like comparing night and day. Love this new S1 Plus from SwitchBot. Third pro for me is the self-emptying features, in which the vacuum cleaner will park and then it will automatically discharge the contents of its tank to the base. Base contains a dust bag, and then it stores the dirt, the hair, everything that the vacuum cleaner has sucked in. Next pro for me is that it works perfectly on different floor types. For me, we have a hardwood floor, and then we use a carpet. And the transition between the carpet and the hardwood floor, this smart vacuum has no problem attacking both of the types of flooring that we have in the house. Also in the application, next pro for me is the detailed settings that you can do. You can set it in the application of SwitchBot. You can set very detailed settings to your smart vacuum. Also in the application, you can view two types of maps, the 2D and the 3D. I really like that one, especially the 3D. So it has the modern feels that your vacuum cleaner has mapped out your house in a 3D version, and it patches also my floor. So it's like viewing your house from your smart vacuum's eyes. Finally, the pro that I really like is the quiet operation. Comparing this smart vacuum to my old smart vacuum, it's like comparing night and day. Old smart vacuum, when it starts, it's like you're listening to an aircraft starting its engine, so it's quite loud. Especially when my wife is still sleeping and then I start cleaning using the smart vacuum, it tends to disturb her. So I don't really like that feature of my old vacuum. But in this one, If you want to start cleaning and to be quiet, the sound is still audible, but it is not disturbing. So you have different types of modes: the quiet mode, normal, high. The sound is very quiet compared to other smart vacuums in the market. And now let's proceed on the con. Let's go back on the self-emptying feature. Since it has that feature, it uses a dust bag. And the dust bag is consumable. So according to SwitchBot, it will last up to 70 to 90 days. You need to change it and it will cost you money. But I think compared it with the functions that it gives, it's kind of irrelevant, but it is still a con. Overall, SwitchBot S1 Plus is a fantastic robot that makes cleaning easy and efficient. So if you're looking a new smart vacuum, especially this Black Friday season, I highly recommend this smart vacuum. So check out SwitchBot's website down below in the description box and grab the different deals that they offer. So before we end, I would like to request that if you want to check out also the second part of this two-part series, so this video or this one, click this one or this one, I will be reviewing the SwitchBot K10 Plus Smart Vacuum Cleaner. I think that is it for my review and unboxing of the SwitchBot S1 Smart Robo Vacuum. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.